Listing brochures can be downloaded or emailed to the contacts from the listing record page. The standard template will automatically generate the brochure with all the details and images that have been entered into the listing record correctly. You must make sure that the following fields have been filled in to ensure that no information is missing from the brochure: listing type, location, ownership, property type, and construction status from the main details section. Bedrooms, bathrooms, other rooms, parking type, parking spaces, net internal area, balcony area, gross internal area, plot area and view from the unit details section. You will also need to fill in as many of the fields applicable from the features, built-in appliances and communal facilities section. You also need to fill in the listing price field in the availability section and the title, description, and second broker if applicable fields in the marketing section. You will also need to ensure that the profile photo, work email, work mobile, and work phone fields are filled in for the user that owns the listing record and the second broker. The company details section in the admin panel also needs to be filled in correctly, including the company logo. You will require 4 images to be loaded into the brochure section on the Images and Media page. You will also have the option of adding 1 or more floor plans in the floor plan section. The brochure can easily be shared by downloading it with the brochure PDF button in the top right of the page, or sent to a contact by using the email brochure button and then selecting the contact.